I'm Hamadina, and welcome to my yoga studio at theyogalily.com. So today I want to show you how to do cat cow, seated cat cow pose, which is a great alternative for anyone that can't be directly on their knees. Um, and it's just a nice way to do the cat cow flexing and extension a little bit differently. So some of you might like to sit on a blanket and others will prefer not to. And I'm one of those people. And again, you could always visit my Easy Pose video if you feel like you need more support of like sitting on something higher or using blocks. So for today, you're just going to start off having one ankle crossed in front of you. It doesn't matter whichever you feel most comfortable with. Navel engaged, you're high on your sits bones and feel that the spine is elongated. And you're going to keep your hands on your knees and use them as brakes. And then just taking a deep breath in through your nose, lengthening through the spine. Exhale, tuck your tailbone around your spine, tuck your chin, let your arms straighten. You're leaning all the way back. And then inhale, push your belly button forward, your sternum forward, open your throat, look up, your elbows can bend back. And then exhaling, tucking the tailbone, rounding the spine, tucking your chin, leaning back. And inhaling, rolling across the pelvic floor, opening the chest, looking up. Exhaling to round. And inhaling to come forward. And so this is a wonderful practice for helping you feel grounded. It really focuses on energetically on the first chakra, that root chakra, the earth chakra, part of you that connects down deep to Earth Mother. And it also helps to flex and extend a whole spine. So it's working from the coccyx, that little teeny weeny bone that's down on the below the tailbone, all the way up to the occiput where the spine inserts into the skull. And a lot of people focus on moving only their lower back and their neck here. See if you can bring some of the movement into your upper back. And you can do this for a nice long time. I've heard of students healing back pain from doing this multiple times throughout the day. And so you can close your eyes and just practice this as a moving meditation. And you can move as fast or as slow as you like. Always inhaling as you move forward and exhaling as you move back. Another nice one to do before meditation. And then as the chest lifts, just bring your spine back to neutral. Take a breath. Pause. Exhale. Savor the sensation of your being. That's wonderful. And there's one more alternative for you. You could do this kneeling, sitting on your heels, having your hands on your knees, and then you would just exhale, round, and inhale, come forward. I'll be showing you another way to do cat-cow in another video. And for now, if you want to get more information, please visit theyogalily.com. That's TheYogalily.com. And you can find out there how to get your first month of yoga for free online. That includes unlimited classes and all the recordings. And you can also see more videos there or at YouTube or on Facebook. And I hope that you have a blessed day.